bombs. Making back to school bath bombs.
The surprise inside.
The surprise inside. Sorry.
Just putting in the baking soda. Normally my bath bombs I add a lot of stuff, but these are for kids, so I'm just doing baking soda and citric acid only. And of course the scent and color. Okay. And I know it's hard on the hands, but I do it like this anyway. You can feel all the crumbs. Get it all broke down. And get rid of the big pieces. Let's mix it up. Oh, that white sugar's not staying down. Now, my fragrance oil and my colorants are both. My colorants are just mica mixed with alcohol. And there's my fragrance oil. I'm doing raspberry lemonade. Okay, get that all mixed in. I'm going to split up into two before I add the colors. Oh, it smells good. Alright, so now I got two. And one is going to be yellow. And one is going to be pink. Mixes my electric mixer better. That's probably enough. Yellow. Staying solid when I drop it, that's good. Won't take much rich hazel. Okay, that's the yellow. Now I'm gonna do this. Looks orange, but it'll be pinky when I'm done. I try not to do bright colors down in people's tubs, but I will be adding bath safe colorants in the center of these for the kids, and also these little magic grow capsules. Show them with the grow capsules. You can buy them on Amazon. That's where I found them. And we're gonna do a test run at the end of this to see how they work. Okay. Staying pretty solid. I'm gonna drop them, but I'm gonna put some more hazel in anyway.
What does that do?
It acts as a bonding agent so that when so they stay more solid.
Aha.
Supposedly witch hazel won't react with citric acid, but it in fact does. Alright, now, I don't do it like most people. I don't use the plastic ones. I use these.
Yeah, then you got this thing in there.
Yeah, I'm going to put it right here in this center. I'm going to pack. Wait, that's not good. Next. It's the inverse color. Okay. So we're starting with a bug. He's going to give me a bug. That's what I made the first one.
Can you stop for a second?
Why? No, I can't, actually. Give me the bug. Oh my god, you should have these open. Okay, you gotta open other ones. Okay. Can I see this? I'm just going to put a bug in there. And this, I got this packed in there pretty good. And then I'm going to cover it some more. And then my other half, I'm not going to pack as much. And then I'm just going to push them together. And push, push, push. The witch hazel did make them react. Alcohol won't. I'm not sure why I believe the witch hazel wouldn't, but it does. I know some people like to leave them in the mold, I just like to stick them up. That's one. Okay, I'm gonna need. Are we doing all bugs in this one? Okay, that's fine. We can do all bugs. Honey, you don't get. Just hand me a bug. Let's see here. Put a little color palette and another bug. This one's pretty good. This side. This side I do loosely. You could get it from all kinds of roughness. And then I'm pushing. Again, witch hazel does react with citric acid. Use alcohol. I usually use oils, so I don't have to use anything else but. And there's the next one. Okay, now. Can you give me now? I'd like to be surprised. Just give me one. Okay.
These are animals. Safari.
Okay.
Should we do randoms? Or should we have these all separated? What they are?
I think we should just keep them random, then we don't even know what's in them.
Yeah.
That way we aren't predisposed to giving girls a girl kind or whatever.
So you get random stuff.
Yes. A random surprise, but it will get you quick in the tub. And that's really what we all want. The kids in the tub. Okay. Getting this right out of the mix here. I'm going to use the rest of it to make one that we will test. Let's see how it works out. I don't know, I might have enough for one more bath bomb. And then a test. We stay together surprisingly well. Like I said, I usually put butters and stuff in mine, so I'm shocked that this actually holds together. Okay. just about out of the separate colors. I put them all in one now. And then, can they see? Are they just looking at my arm? Are you paying attention to the filming or the arm? Now I'm just going to make a half of a one that we're going to test out ourselves with you guys. Okay, I need a color palette. So I want to see if the whole thing works together. And these color palettes are from Crayola. I swear they will not stain tubs. So I could have made bath bomb inserts, but mine wouldn't have gotten as bright as theirs will, so also I found on Amazon. Really cheap too. Okay, this will be our half a bomb that we're gonna test as soon as it dries. So we'll be back. You sure?
Yeah, we're...
Okay, now we are testing the bath bombs we made earlier. These are the back to school bath bombs with the pellet of something, a sponge that grows into something, and a color palette is also in here that will not stain your tub. So this is our second test because we screwed up the first one. And the bath bomb's floating, it didn't sink. And it's still spinning.
Well, this one's yellow.
No honey, that's just the colors of the actual bath bomb. The actual bath bomb are colored in yellow and pink. So you're seeing the yellow and the pink kind of merge together. It also will not stain your tub.
It smells good.
They would in bigger quantities. It does. It smells very good. It's raspberry lemonade. And we haven't got to the color palette yet. So we don't know what color it's going to turn. Well, it looks like we've got a pink one. There it comes, yeah, pink it's getting. That's from the color palette. It works with the scent. They won't all be pink. I don't know what colors are in them. You cannot see the palette yet of the little animal. There's the pellet. But according to our last test, it took 3 minutes for the pellet to open. And a little over 3 minutes for us to be able to tell what it was going to be. It's still going. The water's kind of cool. Well, warmish, not hot. The last one was pink too. Yeah, no, I see it. Trying to help it. Come on. How long has it been?
2 minutes and 24 seconds.
But it hasn't. It actually just got exposed to water when it shot out of the bath bomb, so I think alone it wouldn't take so long. But because it's insulated, you have to get to it in the bath bomb before it's exposed to water. What do you think we got this time? Last time we got a rooster that we thought was a crab. Come out.
I think it's expanding. I don't know.
It's trying.
Like that.
Trying to get the gel cap to come off of it. Probably should have done warmer water like what a real bath would be like. It felt like I felt spongy. Anyway, these are for kids 3 and older only. I don't want a baby swallowing this. How long's it been?
3 minutes, 34 seconds.
So last time we did the test, it was exposed to water a lot sooner.
Oh, it's starting to open up.
And the water
Maybe
was
not.
much warmer.
It was really slippery.
Yes, that's the gel cap, baby. Don't put it back in there. Keep it in the water. It will open on its own. We're just trying to speed it up for you.
Oh, it's opened.
Yeah, it's opening. Part of its face. What do we got? Hope it's not another farm animal. I want to see a lion. I don't think we even opened the safari animals.
It smells like Kool-Aid. I don't know why.
It's the raspberry lemonade. Yeah, the color palette is just by chance because I was just putting them in. I wasn't looking at colors. I just put them in.
It smells very loud. It's very delicious.
So I got my hand smells like lemonade.
Yeah, they smell good. I'll be making these in a lot of kid scents: monkey farts, duck farts, and cotton candy, and the raspberry lemonade. Come on, show us what you want to be. It's still got the end of the pellet on it.
I think the children will be playing with it as well.
Yeah, I think that they would play with it too, so. Coco, please get down. Oh, wait. Oh, it's another farm animal. I think it's a cow.
Either I think it is a cow.
And I think that we could tell this one right away. I'd say.
Oh, it's a pig.
Yeah, it's a pig. We could tell that one a lot sooner than we could tell the rooster. That one took us like 20 minutes to figure out what the hell it was. Are you sure it's not a hippo? Did we get into safari animals?
Maybe it's yeah.
I think that
so.
it is. It's a hippo. It's a hippo. Or a pig. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is inside the bath bomb. And they will be on Etsy. We just put pellets in. We don't know which pellet you're going to get, which color pellet you're going to get. You could just pick the scent. And, thank you.